Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Ebrahim Zaid. I'm master student in Istanbul Okan University. Today I'm going to explain my project. So let's start with many point and we're gonna start with location. So my project location, it's in South Yemen, especially in Aden. So my project, it's near to Arab Sea. That's one of the advantage things that I was choosing this places. My project is approximately 27 hectare. So yeah, at the beginning, I'm going to explain, or I'm showing in this picture, why is my location far away from the main site or from the site of Aden. Actually what I'm doing is rebuild a government office or building. So at the beginning, our country, when they built this building, they were thinking when they gonna keep this building far away from the people, it will be like more safety for the people and for them. So that's why they choose this place is far away from the city. So yeah, this is the building. How was the building? It's kind of a good design. It's not modern, but it's explaining our culture in Yemen. As I mentioned at the beginning, that we have war in Yemen. So those pictures are explaining what happened to this building. This picture is showing the building how was at the beginning, and this picture is showing in the now how it is after war and how the war is destroyed everything inside the area. So yeah, I did some site analysis and site synthesis for that. I was studying the sun because my idea of my building, it's gonna be not high-rise building, but it's gonna be like up to 10 floors. So I was study the sun. The sun is coming from east to west, and I was taken in the three times on day. Yani. So it was like 12 and 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. This picture also explains the sun circulation. And this one is the wind direction. The wind direction is also coming from east to west. And yeah, it's coming from Arab Sea to other side. So I have done my project, or what I'm showing now is like what I have done in this semester with Mr. or Prof. Dr. Samih. As I told you, I'm doing a rebuild. So my project name is Government Headquarter and Public Park. So the new things here is like a public park. Why I'm doing like a public park? Public park, it's my idea for this project is how I'm gonna combine, or how I'm gonna gather the people, the visitor people or resident people in this area with a government worker or government places. So I was trying to create a public park or a big park in front of my building. So as I said, I'm trying to combine between citizens with the government or the people working in government. So this is the idea, or this is the main idea of this public park. Yeah, and also here I have done, as you can see here in this part, it's like a development of green area, how it's gonna be with this park. And also this is like all stores that I have done from the, like we're gonna find first floor to the last floor. So here I'm gonna do zoom in for my site plan or ground floor. Actually, I divided my site plan or ground floor in three parts. The first part will be for entrance, and in the entrance at the second floor you're gonna find the theater for this building. And the second part is the home office. I just made a home office for those worker inside, or for the visitor for the headquarter, government headquarter. And the third one is a public park. I just did the public park in front of this building because, as I mentioned in the beginning, the government was taking this area because I'm like rebuild this building. They took it away from the main location because what was they thinking about? So my idea is I just did a public park here, or a big public park, trying to combine between a city. In this paper, I'm trying to explain about ecological feature that I have done it in my building, or that I applied it in my building. I have done a few of them. I start with the double facade. I have done also water heat pump systems, and also a green wall, and also solar water systems, green roof systems, and also solar panel systems. And the last thing is I'm trying to show the 3D isometric 3D, and also I'm trying to show the ventilation, or the ventilation how it's gonna be. Here in section, I'm trying to explain some of them. Wind direction, or natural ventilation is gonna be from the side. I did some of courtyard, or this courtyard gonna get the wind going inside and going out from those side. Also the solar panel, I have done it in this side. Also the solar water systems, I have done it also on this side to collect or to make a heat for the water. And the last thing is solar water systems. I have done it near to the sea because of the heat going to, or it's gonna be like move fast and collecting water and make it up to the building. In this 3D isometric, I'm trying to show how is the 3D going to be. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy with this video.